Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bonk. On the 7 day time frame chart, Bonk has broken out a very big and long-term symmetrical triangle. You can see that we found a support here in the month of January 2024. And after this big bounce, we got rejected by the resistance of this symmetrical triangle here in the month of March 2024. And after that, we had another bounce, rejection, rejection, bounce, another bounce here, rejection. And this was the last bounce that was happening here and here in the month of November 2024. And finally, we broke out the resistance of this big symmetrical triangle. And after the breakout, for a while, the price then also broke out this long-term resistance zone. That starts from $0.00004 and goes to $0.00044. That was previously breaking as a resistance zone here and resistance on here, and now after the breakout for a few weeks, you can see that it has been working as a support zone. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for several days or weeks, it has been working as a support zone, but finally the price has broken it down. But while moving to the downside, the price has also formed this down channel as well. You can see that we have rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce, and now the price is about to hit the resistance of the channel. This time we will have a crisscross of the resistance levels. One will be the resistance of the down channel. Another one will be this long-term resistance zone. That starts from 40 and goes to $0.00044. By the way, this is if we take a look at this rally, then this is not a perfect bull flag formation because if I play this Fibonacci tool, then you can see that from this low to here, the price has retraced more than 0.382 retracement level. However, the price is dropped in the golden pocket, 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. That is considered as a price reversal zone. And in today's video, we will also analyze this retracement level in golden pocket as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade set for XRP, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 4th of November 2024. And here you can also want the complete trade signal as well, like this is the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very, very massive rally, by the way. Now, let me to take you the live chart of Bonk, and this is a 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months, it was moving inside this big and long-term symmetrical triangle. And we found the support here in the month of January 2024. We had several touch points here at the support, and we had a very, very nice bounce. Then we had another rejection. Then we had a bounce, rejection, rejection. Then we had another bounce here, by the way. Then we had another rejection here, bounce here. And after getting squeezed inside this support and resistance of this symmetrical triangle, finally the price line broke out the resistance of this triangle. And for a while, we broke out this very long-term resistance zone that starts from $0.00004 from here and goes to $0.00044. That was previously working as a resistance on here, resistance on here, resistance on here. And this time it was working as a support zone after the breakout, but the price could not save this level as support. And finally, we have again broken it down. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for several days it has been working as a support zone, but now it is flipped into a resistance zone. And again, we will need to break out this resistance zone along with this down trend line resistance of the channel in order to start a massive move. At the same time, the price line is also dropped in the golden pocket. If you place the measurement tool from the start of this recent rally, uh, and not the measurement, the Fibonacci tool from this low to here, and you can see that the price is dropped at 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. That is considered as a golden pocket or golden ratio. And from here, there is a probability for another price reversal because this golden ratio or golden pocket is considered as a price reversal zone. However, if the price breaks down this zone, then there can be a probability that we may test this very long-term trend line support. This will be the bull run structure. This uptrend line support will be the bull run structure for Bonk because this was a very long-term uptrend line support of this symmetrical triangle. And now it can work as a very, very strong support. For example, if the price moves here, then this time it can test the support somewhere here at point double zero double zero $20. And in case of breaking out this channel, the target will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at point double zero double zero $63. And if the price and reaches there, then again we can break out this long-term resistance on as well. And now if we take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this big and long-term symmetrical triangle, then technical target for the breakout from this triangle is here. That is approximately at 0.0003 times zero $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.